following in the tire tracks of the electric ID.4 SUV and ID.Buzz minivan, Volkswagen will soon roll out the ID.7, a mid-size electric family four-door similar in size to the Passat sedan. Based on the ID.Aero concept, the ID.7 is designed to be as aerodynamic as possible, but, as we can see from the photos, also quite stylish. We expect it to offer both front and all-wheel drive electric powertrains when it goes on sale as a 2024 model. Its driving range should be longer than the ID, 4 seconds, which is rated for up to 275 miles per charge. Volkswagen says all models will come with a large 15.0 inches infotainment touchscreen and a head-up display that's capable of projecting navigation instructions as well as key info such as vehicle speed. NoorCars has compiled a little info to know about 2024 Volkswagen ID.7. What's new for 2024? The ID.7 will be an all-new model for Volkswagen and will go on sale most likely for the 2024 model year. So far, we've only seen images of the concept vehicle and a camouflage production car, but Volkswagen says it will take the wraps off the ID.7 in the second quarter of 2023. Pricing and which one to buy. The 2024 Volkswagen ID.7 estimation price start from $38,000 for base trims, $42,000 for Pro trims, $47,000 for Pro S trims and $50,000 for Pro S Plus trims. We've estimated pricing here, but we expect to see MSRPs and trim levels that are similar to the ID.4s, with the base model likely offering rear-wheel drive standard and the rest of the lineup equipped with dual motors and all-wheel drive. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Because the ID.7 replaces the mid-size Passat family sedan in VW's lineup, we're expecting a spacious interior. While not all details of the car's cabin have been released yet, Volkswagen says it features an air vent design that better distributes airflow throughout the cabin. While base models are expected to be pedestrian inside, the upper trim levels should offer near luxury levels of equipment. When we find out more info about the ID.7 interior, we'll update this story with details. Infotainment and connectivity. All ID.7 models come standard with a large 15.0 inches infotainment display with Volkswagen's latest infotainment interface. A head-up display projects key info on the windshield, and we can see from photos that a digital gauge display is also included. Range, charging, and battery life. Volkswagen hasn't said how large the ID.7 battery will be, but its more aerodynamic shape is expected to give it a longer range than its SUV sibling. On the European WLTP cycle, Volkswagen says the sedan is capable of traveling up to 700 kilometers divided by 435 miles between charges, but don't expect those numbers to hold up on the EPA's more rigorous test cycle or in real-world driving here in America. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and leave your comment.